How to buy clothes on Pinterest app. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you buy clothes in Pinterest app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the app Pinterest with your account. Alright, so after you open the application with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this search icon just at the bottom left corner. Alright, so from here in the search field, you'll have to type for clothes in Pinterest app. So for me, for the demo, I will search for the summer outfit. Alright, so once you have searched the clothes in this, you will be able to see results on that. So from here, you'll have to choose one clothes on it. So from here, you'll have to just tap on this visit site option to directly redirect to this site where this clothes is selling. So this is the way to buy clothes in Pinterest app. So from here you can find the clothes, and then from there you'll have to tap on that visit option. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.